As the deadline of September 30th approaches, where 2000 rupee notes will be removed from circulation as per the RBI mandate in India, Amazon has taken the initiative to make exchanging of such notes easier. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of exchanging your 2000 rupee currency note using Amazon. Make sure your Amazon account's KYC has been successfully completed. You must now place an order from Amazon using cash on delivery as the payment option. When the package is delivered, you can either give the delivery person additional cash that you wish to exchange or request that they put the remaining funds into your Amazon Pay account. Users may pay bills, utilize the Amazon Pay wallet to pay for services and more. The e-commerce platform has added the ability for customers to pay other UPI users by just scanning the QR code. This service is only available for cash on delivery orders, and users can give extra cash or have the leftover change to be credited to their Amazon Pay balance. A complete KYC is required for an Amazon Pay account. Customers may deposit up to Rs 50,000 in cash each month. So that's how you can use the Amazon app to exchange your 2000 rupee notes successfully. That's it for this video. Do like it if it was useful, and for everything tech, log on to Gadgets360.